Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Airbnb. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app. Then on the screen, you can see options like Explore, Wish List, Trips, Inbox and Login. Tap on login at the bottom right corner. Then on the screen you can see login option. Select the login option, then give your phone number or you can continue with email. I'm gonna continue with email. Tap on continue with email. Type in your email ID and password. Tap on continue and it might take a few seconds. There you go. Now you've successfully logged in into your Airbnb account. And guys, that's it. That's how you log in into your Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.